What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Mujjo's new leather cases for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. For those of you who want something a little bit more different than Apple's own cases and maybe add more functionality with them, you definitely want to check out Mujjo's leather cases. So we have two cases here. This one here is Mujjo's leather wallet case in tan, as well as their standard leather case in an olive green. And you can tell here Mujjo likes to put their cases in some nice packaging, very easy to open like so. And the leather that Mujjo uses with their cases is a very fine high-grade vegetable tan full grain leather. Mujjo wraps the back part of this case here with a high-grade luxurious Japanese microfiber, which is super soft to the touch and of course to protect the back of your phone. And the leather itself has a really nice soft touch feel to it and smells pretty nice too. Here's a quick look at this olive green color here, and if you're not a fan of tan or olive green, they also have your traditional black available. And their standard leather case is basically their wallet case without the wallet part. You can see here the wallet portion of this case is made of the same leather material as the rest of the case here, nicely stitched all the way around to ensure it doesn't pop off or rip off. And the card slot here is capable of fitting up to 2 to 3 cards. So like Apple's own case, it's a very simple case to install. As you go button side first, and it just pops into place. Anyways, taking a quick overview, starting off with the top here, I do have an excellent amount of bezel protection with the leather wrapping just above the glass screen of the iPhone. On the sides, the button covers are covered with leather as well, and they still feel like actual buttons when you press on them. There's a generous cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. And also like how the cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch is actually curved inward, so it's easier to actually reach the actual switch. On the bottom of the case here, we have a single large cutout for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And also like how this tan colored case does match really nicely with the gold iPhone. And finally on the back part of the case, we have a precise cutout for the dual camera and flash. And of course the most highlighted feature of this case, aside from the leather, is the wallet feature built on the back. This wallet style case is a great alternative for those of you who don't want something too bulky or have that additional flap that wallet style cases are known for, and this is great for those of you who want something to just put a couple cards in, like a debit card or an ID card, if you just want to go out for the night. Now granted, something like this is not the most ideal thing to replace an entire wallet with, but if you have a particular card such as a bus pass or credit card that you use all the time, then having it on your phone provides much quicker access than having it in your wallet. Here's a quick look at what the olive green case looks like on the iPhone XS Max. Every aspect of this case is pretty much identical to the wallet style case minus the wallet feature on the back. Overall guys, the Mujjo wallet case and their standard leather case are a great alternative for those of you who want something a little bit different than Apple's own leather cases. I particularly like Mujjo's version of a wallet case versus Apple's folio case, as this is much more slimmer than having an additional flap, and also it matches nice and flush with the case. Mujjo's leather cases are just as good as Apple's own leather cases, high quality, soft to the touch, and smells nice. One minor detail I like about Mujjo's cases over Apple's leather cases is that the cutout for the switch here, like I mentioned earlier, is kind of indented inwards rather than a straight cutout, so it's much more easier to actually get at versus Apple's cases, which is a really tiny cutout. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about Mujjo's cases, the only thing I can mention is from my past experience of using their tan cases is that they do tend to get a little bit more dirtier than their darker color cases. So if you're worried about that, I may recommend Mujjo's black colored leather case versus tan. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for an alternative to Apple's own cases, you definitely can't go wrong with the Mujjo leather wallet case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.